the tall funnel of the old barge crashed through a pipe. James was sure he'd get covered in smudger.
I get it, smudger. What is up, guys? Joe here. Welcome back to another video. We got another Thomas YTP by the Real Xbox Nerd. This one's called James Does the Dirty on a Boat. Whatever the hell that means. Something's gonna bad's gonna happen because it's a YTP. All bad things always happen. Anyway, let's continue with this. All right, here we go.
The engines on the island of Soas want to be responsible, reliable, and reuse shots from old seasons.
I don't know what he said.
They are happiest when the Fat Controller gives them porn. James
Porn?
thinks his work is very important indeed. He is proud of his red paint and likes Arsenal. One day,
James is a fan of soccer. Who knew?
Percy puffed to the washdown. He was very
Don't you dare finish that sentence. Don't do it. I'm sick of it.
My ass
Don't call me dirty, Percy.
holes clogged. He tried to blow hard to clean it out, but instead blew shit all over Gordon. Silly, huffed Gordon.
Of course I don't know what.
Percy was trying not to
Shat
laugh.
all over Gordon.
Keep your shit away from me. I'm solving the murder today. It's Professor Plum with the candles.
The train's playing Clue. Why not?
Stick in the library. Really? Chuckled James. Pa! Snorted Gordon. James just laughed. The Fat Controller came to the sheds. I need an engine to collect the Queen of Soas. Who's the Queen of Soas?
Sauce.
My leaky old mother,
Sauce.
replied the Fat Controller. She
Wait, I'm
needs
sorry
to
I
go
missed
the
that.
Queen of
Hold on.
Soas.
Who?
Who's the Queen of Soas? My leaky old mother, replied the Fat Controller. She needs to go to the doctor. It's dirty work, I'm afraid.
You need a plastic surgeon, dear, not a doctor.
Do I have a volunteer? I'll do it. Then it's settled. Thank you, sir.
Wait, what?
I'm here to collect the Queen of Soas.
I mean, now the title fits, I guess.
Announced
Almost.
James. There she is, said the yard manager. James was furious. That old talk. Gordon tricked me. He wants me to get dirty. I'll show him. Soon, James did the dirty with the Queen of Soas. Shiny and clean, shiny and clean.
All right, then.
Then there was trouble. The tall funnel of the old barge crashed through a pipe. James was sure he'd get covered in smudger,
I get it, smudger.
but he didn't.
What the hell?
Shiny and clean, shiny and clean.
Sent it through the station, all right.
When James returned to the sheds, he was very proud of himself. How did you manage to stay so clean? I have to stay clean, boasted James, because you will demand it. I to extend. Just then, Percy returned from the quarry. My asshole is clogged again. Watch out, James.
Got the
It went everywhere.
It's a little red. Might have to get that looked
such a
at.
flatulent engine.
Percy the flatulent engine.
Very much to all the Patreon supporters down below. How WT Network Jack Ninja 5.
A lot of good people are always a part of these videos.
Ethan MacArthur, RVP, Matt 1, 2, 3, down Real 9, 8 on Road.
All right.
National Guard 5,
Okay.
and up down.
Another quality YouTube poop by the Real Xbox Nerd. Let me know what you guys think below. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for each and every upload so you don't miss anything. Twitter, Discord, those are in the description below. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Peace out, everybody.